My name is Vizzy. Welcome to the channel. Today's adventure has been a couple of years in the making. If you read the title, you see that I got another motorcycle, but not just any motorcycle. I got my dream motorcycle. So without much further ado, here's the new baby. This is my 2019 Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sport. Now I've had this bike for a couple weeks now, and it's given me enough time to buy some aftermarket upgrades. So first thing I did was buy some bark busters to protect my hands a bit. I added a center stand for when I have to service it, and I have other things that I've purchased that are still on the way. But yeah, this bike has been my dream for a little bit over 3 years now, since I started riding motorcycles. Now the question, why did I go with a Honda Africa Twin? Well, it's a multi-stage answer, I guess we could say. Been doing some research on this bike for a while, and it's caught my eye. It's very capable, it's versatile, so I could do on-road, off-road, highways without having a problem. It keeps up. It's also reliable and proven. I can find parts all over the world if I so needed to fix it. But most importantly, this is what I think is the perfect bike for my lifestyle. Now, why is this good for me? Well, it combines all of my worlds, all of the things I like to do. My off-roading, my on-roading, and my long touring journeys that I do in the truck. So this one, I'll be able to get off the beaten path and explore a bit. It'll also force me to set up camps. I have this tendency of sort of arriving late because I'm trying to optimize every single day, every single minute, you know. But this, I'm gonna be a little bit more laid back on, and I'm gonna enjoy the scenery a little bit more. Now, this is my tallest, heaviest, and highest output motorcycle that I've ever owned. There will be a steep learning curve with this. It will be dropped. I have dropped it already, and I'm not afraid to learn from it, you know. I do have protective gear. I will be wearing that. I'm aware it is a long learning curve, but nothing I can't handle, you know. So yeah, join me for this new chapter of the channel. I will still be using my truck. I will still be doing my other long journeys, but this will also be a major part of it. Hopefully the adventures get bigger, get longer, and a little bit wilder. We had severe storms not too long ago, and this is the outcome from that. Alrighty, let's turn around. Wow, it washed off that guardrail from there too. That's the power of Mother Nature. That storm tore this all up. Uprooted a bunch of trees. That parking lot, all these rocks were not here. A bunch of trees that were there were torn from the bottom. But it's been cleared up a little bit. It took part of that railroad track out. Now, some facts about this bike. It is 535 pounds. It being the Adventure Sport version, it has a bigger fuel tank, so it's about 6.5 gallons with the reserve. It is 36 inches for the seat height. Now, I'm a 32 for pants, so 4 inches longer or taller than me when it comes to the inseam. So learning how to handle this and ride it is going to be a little bit more challenging, but it is what it is, you know. One thing I've noticed about this bike, it is very nimble once you're moving. When you're going slow speeds, you feel every single pound of the bike. So momentum is gonna be my best friend around with this bike. crossing. That did not taste good. Should have put my visor down. Fun. Now, I don't have an incredible a lot of off-road experience, but we'll learn by doing it, right? You never do it, you never learn. Sometimes there'll be drops, and that's okay. That's what it's made for too. Alrighty, let's meet up with a few friends. They've never seen this bike, so this will be their introduction to it. Stuff like that. Now with this bike I can actually change the modes for it. It's currently in gravel because we're just using it in gravel. I have user which I can set up to whatever, so I could change the torque on there, I could change the engine braking, and I could change another parameter which I'm not currently remembering. You have tour if you want to do long distance riding, and you have urban. Now these are all adjustable modes. Pretty fun bike so far. Got some cool features. I could turn off the ABS and I could take the torque control here. The only thing I'm not currently liking is the knobbies. They start making noise after like 35 miles per hour, but I'll probably change them to something less aggressive because there's not as much for me to do off-road here as there would be in a different state. The first beautiful day of the season, so we'll be outside in full force. This thing is just so nimble, and I'm currently running knobbies on this thing too. This bike has 6 gears. So it can get up and move. Oh, this is so comfortable standing up like this. Good thing I brought the bike because it's going to be hard to find parking today. The boys are pulling out, huh? What up, what up? What up, what up?
What's up, baby?
Let's put this thing down, hold up. What up, what up?
That was a beautiful time. We're all leaving right now.
Where y'all going? What up, what up?
How we doing?
Good.
Yeah.
Chilling.
I'm hot, man. I'm hot.
That's why I wore this gear.
I'm sweating.
I have a water bottle in the back. I have sleeves in the back.
Bro is ready to go.
Yeah, bro, I'm ready.
Look how pretty she is.
I know, right?
Fuck. Dude, it's just so perfect.
I know, right? Yo, I felt vibrations, but this thing floats, bro. What's up, what's up? What up, what up?
What's up, Busy?
What up? What up? What up? What up?
Yeah, that shit big as fuck, man.
I know, right? What up? What up? What up? What up? I got a horse. It's tall. Standing up way taller than you. It looks out of place.
Yeah, but you're not out of place, Busy.
What up? What
That's
up?
all that matters. I was so excited when I see you. I turn around, I'm like, look at this big ass nigga.
That big ass bike in the middle of the
Big
pack.
ass bitch, bro.
Huh?
No, in the group chat after the group ride.
What up, what up?
today,
No, it was a purple R6.
My bad.
Was it?
Yeah,
How you liking this bike so far?
I love it,
You
bro.
love it?
I wasn't expecting to see you, bro. You said you were out of state.
I was out of state, you know me.
I don't know what you be doing, man. You
I be disappearing and appearing when I need to be here. What's up?
What's up? How are you?
What up? What up? Chilling.
My handle's sweet.
So you know it's.
What up? What up?
What up?
Take this helmet off right quick. What up? What up?
What up, bro?
How's it going?
Good, you?
Chilling, bro. Put a switcheroo in them, huh? That's dope. That's cool.
Huh?
Cam.
This boy, he's touching the snake.
It's alright, it's just a snake. It's not that bad.
How does he?
Yeah, they're easy. Chill.
Hold on, he got. Oh hell no!
I don't like those kind of hugs.
Oh hell no!
That's cool though.
Nah, I'm alright. I don't really do the snakes like that.
That's beautiful.
But-
Beautiful snakes, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Appreciate it. Have a good day.
Alright, you too.
Thank you.
Have fun riding.
Thank you.